thank you, P-Dog. I'm Captain Ake. I'm going to show to you my very first video that I'm very proud of, which is to do workouts free of charge or little cost. You could even fill this bottle up with sand inside, which I have done early on, and the sand can be collected from the beach nearby. After you have filled the bottle to the brim, simply just cap it up and you are good to go. Alternatively, you could also use other types of bottle that you are comfortable with, which in this case, I have used protein shake bottle that I've already consumed. Or you can also try to use some other things to fill this bottle up for considerable amount of weight that you could use to beef up your body. Cap it up as well, and most importantly, secure it firmly so that the sand don't actually drop off that easily when you're doing the workout. And with this, of course, it doesn't have any handle, so we use, in this case, a plastic bag. But with this plastic bag handles, it does strain on your hands during the workout for considerable amount of time. So what we suggest is using this sponge that you could actually find it as a shock absorber. So with this sponge, we could slot it in between the handles for your easily handling during your workout. Here we go. We shall start the workout now. For this workout, you can go for 4 sets of it. And with this workout, you could train your legs, broaden your shoulders, expand your chest. If you want a greater potential to shape up your body to a higher extent, you could consider putting in to the bottle another sort of natural resource that could increase the weight, or fill up the bottle of sand with water. Alternatively, you could also consider using that protein shake bottle. Captain Ake, thank you for watching and staying on with me for the past moment in this very first part of my video series. Stay tuned for more different sets of workouts in my upcoming videos. Till then, I'm Captain Ake, signing off with my dog P-Dog.
We hope you enjoyed our video for the past moment. Please hit the like and subscribe my channel, P-Dog TV channel, and the notification bell to remind yourself of our upcoming ideas coming along the way.